Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is going to work for any Samsung phone you have. So if the Wi-Fi of your Samsung Galaxy phone keeps disconnecting, or for some reasons it is unable to find your Wi-Fi network and connects to it, or you're having the problem where even when your Wi-Fi is actually turned on, it is unable to find your Wi-Fi network, or even if it connects to it, you're getting the Wi-Fi connected but no internet instead of just connected like mine over here. By the end of this video, you should be able to fix any internet Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung phone. Now, I'll be taking you through 3 solutions. First things first, you want to make sure that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, whichever is the case. So you can try to connect any other device or mobile phone to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network and see if there is actually internet or if it works pretty well with the Wi-Fi, just so that you can be sure that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. Once you've been able to confirm that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi or hotspot network, just go over to the Wi-Fi settings of your Samsung phone. You can simply just click on the settings icon, or if you can find the Wi-Fi icon from over here, just long press on it to get to the Wi-Fi settings. Click on details and you should be able to be taken to the Wi-Fi settings on your Samsung phone. Now what you want to do is to just go over to your Wi-Fi network. If you're able to find it from over here, go ahead and select it, and then at the bottom you just want to go ahead and forget the Wi-Fi or delete it. So you can just forget it from over here, just like so, and then you just want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi. Now turn it on again, allow it to be able to search for your Wi-Fi network, and then you can now go ahead and select your Wi-Fi network again. Select it just like so, enter your password one more time, and once I click on the connect button now, it should automatically connect right now without any problem. So you want to go ahead and try this and see if it will fix the problem of your Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. But if this solution does not work out for you, another thing you can do is to go over to the settings of your Samsung phone. Go ahead and click on the settings icon, or from the list of apps on your Samsung phone, you want to scroll down until you find the date and time settings. So basically the date and time settings should be under the general management settings over here. Select that and you are going to find the date and time settings from here. Select it and then make sure that automatic date and time is turned on your Samsung phone. If you do not see the automatic date and time option, you can make sure that the date and time is actually correct and it corresponds with the date and time on your router or your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. If you have it, just go ahead and turn it on and it should automatically make it correct. Now once you do this, you just have to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi network again. So just turn it off, turn it on again, and then just try to connect to your Wi-Fi network now, and trust me, this will most likely fix any problem with the internet Wi-Fi on your Samsung phone not working or not accessing the internet. So it will help you fix the problem of Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. But if this does not work out for you, the final thing you want to try is to just restart your Samsung phone. And the way you do this is to simply just go over to the top of your Samsung phone, click on the power button over here, and then just go ahead and click on the restart option from over here. This is going to restart your phone and will most likely fix any problem that is causing the Wi-Fi network not to work on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you just want to click on the restart button and then click on restart. Now you want to give it some few minutes and your Samsung phone is going to restart itself. Once it is fully turned on again, you can try to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. So come over to Wi-Fi over here, and then proceed to select your Wi-Fi network and just connect to it from over here. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or your Samsung phone is unable to find the name of your Wi-Fi network to connect to it, this will most likely fix that problem for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.